These are 4 words from the vowel sounds, the long E, stressed E, E, the short I, the and the a. E, a. E, a. So the E as in see, the I as in sit, the E as in set, and the A as in sat, okay? So I'm gonna do several different versions as well. They don't all match up, but they're similar, just to get you close to practicing these sounds. Peen, peen, pin, pen, pan. Peen isn't a real word, but we're just thinking of peen, pin, pen, pan, and. Notice how relaxed my tongue is before it goes up to the N. Now I'm going to say it with the T. Teen, teen, tin, tin, ten, ten, tan, tan. Try to notice that my mouth doesn't close when I'm saying these. Keep your tongue as relaxed as you can. Teen, tin, ten, tan. Okay? Ween, ween, win, when, and wan. Even though ran, I couldn't find a word that matched the W, so I went with R, ran. Ween, win, when, ran. Ween, win, when, ran. Bean, bin, ben, ban. Bean, bin, ben, ban. Again, focus on seeing the vowel sounds. E, stressed, E, E, E. I. Tongue's relaxed, mouth is relaxed, mouth opens a little bit, the jaw just drops open barely. Bin, in, I. Then it drops a little bit more for the and then the ah, okay? I'm gonna do the K. Keen, keen, kin, kin, ken, can, can. And the last one, leaned, LIN'dah, lend, land. Try to make sure you're not making it a long lee. You want it to be lean, leaned, LIN'dah, lend, land. I hope that this helps.